Good morning everyone! Happy New Year from Bali! Nandito pa rin tayo. It's our 6th day today and the first day of 2025. So for today, relax lang tayo. Ang plano natin is mag-beach club and ang target natin is yung Potato Head dito sa Seminyak. Hopefully, makapasok tayo kasi walk-in lang tayo. If ever na maraming tao and we can't get in, mag-try tayo ng ibang beach club. But hopefully, makapasok tayo sa Potato Head kasi malapit lang yun dito sa Airbnb namin. So, yun lang. We'll see you later. Bye! Happy New Year! Okay, wala po tayong kadala-dala. Ayan pa ang mga sunburn. Pero ang ate nyo, sasabak na sa swimming. See you there! Magnum break muna, bago gala. Wow, thank you, Surreal. Okay, so we're now here at Potato Head Beach Club. Tara! Okay, nandito na tayo sa Potato Head Beach Club. So, itong area na to, ayan yung mga daybed nila na good for two. Pwedeng walk-in, but there's a minimum fee of or order of 1,500,000. And also, ito yung mga daybed by the pool. Minimum of, I think, 5 million yung minimum order dito. So far, first impression, I don't think it's for kids. Parang hindi siya okay for kids. Hindi rin ganun ka-inviting tingnan yung pool niya. Para kasi hindi siya, or dahil hindi maaraw, kaya hindi putok yung kulay niya. Pero I think it's a bit crowded for my liking. And then, lakad tayo rito. Tingnan natin yung beach area nila. Okay, malakas yung alon, so hindi rin pwedeng mag-swimming dito. Pero ang lawak ng beach. Yeah. Let's check the other side. Nandito ata yung kids pool nila eh. Okay. Okay, I think ito yung kiddie pool nila. Ito daw ba? Ayun na siya. Babaw? Hindi na nagpaalam kay mami, dumiretso na siya. Oh, madulas ka? Okay, so hindi siya ganong malaki, maliit lang siya. Napakita ko na halos yung buong paligid. So swimming muna kami. Bye! first impression, okay naman tong Potato Head Beach Club, pero hindi niya main audience or target market yung mga bata. So, yung swimming pool, sakto lang din, hindi siya malaki. Tapos, yung place, I don't think it's for families. Tapos, yung dagat, pag, kung nakita nyo, diba? I think it's a bit dangerous to swim in. Dito lang kami kasi nakakatakot, ang laki din ng waves. Although, hindi siya kasing laki nung sa La Union. Uy, may nagpapatok to, no? Ayun lang. So, pwede naman siya. Try nyo lang din kung gusto nyo. But, if you have other plans, at lalo na may kasama kayong bata, maybe try some family-friendly na mga beach clubs or beach resorts. Right? Okay, so balik na kami sa pool dahil promise ko sa kanya last 30 minutes. See you later!
Go, go.
Sand hiking.
Sand hiking. Okay, so we're done here. Hahanap na tayo ng dinner. Pero, parang gusto namin bumalik sa Warung Nia. So, bahala na. Tingnan na lang natin. Kung malapit yun dito, baka doon na rin kami ulit kumain. Ang galing! Recycled materials, so... Oo nga, ang galing! Recycled materials, tapos ito yung mga finished product. Ayan. Drawer, chair. Ang galing. Tiles. That's nice. Okay, nandito na ulit tayo sa Warung Nia. Nakakatuwa kasi natandaan nila kami. Tapos yung nag-serve sa amin nakaraan, siya ulit yung nagsaserve sa amin ngayon. Kain muna tayo! Okay, so nandito na yung order natin. At syempre dahil second time na natin to, alam na natin kung ano talaga yung masarap. So we have the pork satay, yung ribs, their fried noodles, fried rice, at nagustuhan ni Pipoy yung kanilang coconut pancake. Ayan, so kain na tayo! The best pork satay. Parang mas sumarap na yun.
Yung satay.
Oo.
Yeah.
No? O, diba? Hindi lang ako. Mas sumarap din para sa kanila yung pork satay. Pag nandito kayo, I highly recommend talaga yung pork satay, fried noodles, and fried rice. Siyempre yung ribs din at saka yung pancake. Fried noodles. Hi ribs boy. Ang cute ng watermelon drink nila, oh. Butterfly. Pero syempre hindi sa akin to. Si Boy Pakwan. Okay, bigyan natin ng chance ulit yung kanilang coconut pancake. Not for me talaga. Okay, tapos na kami sa Warung Nia. Kala ko uwi na kami, pero may dadaanan pa pala kami. Dahil, saan tayo pupunta?
And delicious.
Candelicious. Oh my God. What are you gonna buy?
Eat kisses.
Kisses. Okay. I can't say no because I like that too. Right?
I'll buy 2.
You'll buy 2? One for me? Oh my God. Thank you, Surreal. See you later. Ayan na si Surreal. Cute naman ang design nila. Hey, Surreal! Oh my God, that's the kisses. That's the kisses that you're gonna buy? I thought, I don't need one.
Sure?
Yeah, just yours. I thought you're gonna buy the the regular kisses.
No, ito na lang.
Huh? No, I don't need one. It's okay. Just you. I just want Reese's. Narinig niyo yun? Kuha lang daw tayo. Oh my God, kumuha pa ng cart? Hey, you said just kisses. Why? You said just kisses.
Yeah.
Oh, why do you have a cart? Oh, okay. I get it. Jackpot! Buy one, take one! Ikaw din. 1 pair for you, 3 pairs for me.
Mommy, Hershey's. Mommy,
Yeah?
guess what? Diba you like nerds clusters?
Yeah? Oh, thank
You
you.
can make it with the grapes.
I want this.
Let's buy it.
1 million.
Wala. Let's buy it agad. We cannot finish it.
Mommy,
Hindi
look,
tayo.
it's his brother.
Yeah. Okay, this my last one. And then I'm done. We're done, it's real.
Oh, avocado. Avocado. Avocado.
Yeah. Going to the cashier pero gusto niya yung marami pa siyang madadaanan na pwedeng bilhin. Tira mo yung inikot niya. Sweet. Doon tayo galing, oh. Tira mo yung inikot mo. Doon tayo galing, oh. You could have just walked here. Kawawa naman to. Lagi na lang lagi na lang napapasubo kay Surreal. Okay, tapos na kami sa pinamili. Surreal got her chocolates and mommy too. So that's it for today. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye!